Okay, good morning students. Today here in this video I am telling you about the chapter 4 addition and subtraction. In this video I am explaining you about the question bank 2 topic. So today's topic is explanation of question bank 2. Here some of the questions are given to you from your book. Question number 1. Compare and put the correct symbol greater than. This one is for greater than, less than or equals to. Okay. So first symbol is for, this one is greater than, this one is less than, this one is equals to. So what comes here when which one greater than less than. So first of all we are solving this number. So when we are adding these two numbers, that one is equals to 50 30 plus 30 45 1 4 5 0 0. And when we are subtracting this, that one is equals to 1 4 5 0 0. You don't know. Huh? So 0 0. That means when we are adding the, we are subtracting 15,515 minus 1,015. That will be equals to 14,500, and 13,000 plus 1,000, that one is equals to for 14,500. That means equality sign was given here. So what you have to do, before putting the sign you have to solve the questions. I am taking the C1. When you are adding 7,000 plus 70 plus 27, 70, 80, 90. So that one is equals to 7097. When we are subtracting 8,000 minus 921, that is equals to 9. 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 9, 0, and this one is equals to 7. So compare. This is 7, 1000 places 7, 100 places 0 in both the cases. Here it is 9 and here it is 7. So you have to put the greater than sign here. So in the same way I am taking this one. When you are adding these three numbers, 100 plus 100, 200, when you are adding this to 200, so that will come 7039. Okay, now subtract it here. That is 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 5, that is equals to 8 minus 5, that is equals to 3. Then 1 minus 1, 0, and this is 7. Okay. So when you are comparing, these two numbers are equal. So we have to put the equality sign here. Now the next question, that is the fill in the missing number. So what you have to do, you have to first, equality sign was given here. The equality sign means in both the cases your answer will be same. So when you are subtracting 12 minus 7, how much comes? That one is 13. So 6 was given here. How much you are adding? Which number you are adding to the 6 to get 13? So 13 minus 6, that one is equals to 7. In the next case, 85 minus 25 was given to you, and here equal, after equality you have 45 plus 15. So first try to solve 85 minus 25, that one is equals to 60. So how much you are adding to 45 to get it is equals to 60. So 60 minus 45, then your answer will be 15. So try to solve the C and D by yourself. Question number 3. Find the number which is 800 more than 16,850. More than means you have to add the number. When you are adding 800 to 16,800, 8 plus 16, that is 22, 4, 8. Try to use paper and pencil to solve it yourself. I am doing oddly, but you have to do it in your paper and pencil. Okay. 600 less than this. So where is 100? 100 was, wait beta, 800. I think I have written the wrong answer. Wait. Okay. Again I am taking the pen. Okay, let's go. Where 16,000, 8 minus 8 plus 8, 16, then your answer is 1, 7, 6, 5, 0. Okay, and here when you are subtracting 600, 600, that one is 6 beta. Okay, subtract, then your answer will be 15 minus 6, that one is 9, 1, 0, 9, 2, 7. This one is your answer. Question number 4. What must be added to the 48,461 to get 60,150? Means you have to add some of the number to 48,461. So your sum will be 60,156. So what you have to do? You are subtracting 60,150 minus 48,461. So, what will be your answer when you are subtracting this? Your answer will be 11,689. Okay, what must be subtracted from 50,000 to get 28,000? Well, 50,000 is your difference was given to you, and one number was given to you. So we have to subtract some of the numbers from this. So to subtract this from the 50,000, then your answer will be. So for 50,000, what you are writing? 50,000 minus 28364. Then your answer is 2, 1, 6, 3, 6. Okay. Then question number 6. What number exceeds 48,665 by 888? Exceeds means more. So when this one was given to you, you have to add the number. Try to do it by solve it by yourself. That will be little bit messy, so I can rub it the things. Wait for the moment so that I can rub the screen, make it clear the screen. Now I am reading question number 7. How much is 1 lakh more than 60,000? Means 1 lakh is how much more? How much is 1 lakh greater than 60,666? So what you have to do? You are subtracting 1 lakh minus 60,666. So your answer is 39,000. Your answer is 39,334. 9,000. Okay. Now, question number 8. Add the largest 5-digit number to the largest 6-digit number. So, what is the largest 5-digit number? Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So, try to add yourself and find the answer. Question number 9. Fill in the blanks. A1. Sheila's father is 57 years old in 2012. He was born in. So, at present, Sheila's father was 57 years old. So, when he was born, subtract 2012 minus 57. When you are subtracting 2012 minus 57, then what will be your answer? That one is 1955. That means his father was born in 1955. In the B1, you have to subtract 1 lakh minus 100 hundreds. 100 hundreds is equals to 100 into 100, 10,000. So, your answer will be 1 lakh minus 10,000, that is equals to 90,000. So, in the problem C, in the problem 46,793 minus 34,168 is equals to 12,625. The substand is which one? I have told you which one is the substand. That is smallest one. 3, 4, 1, 6, 8. And the minute is the larger one. Which one is the larger number here, beta? 4, 6, 7, 9, 3. Okay. So now in question number D. In the problem 8,258 plus 3,678, that is equals to 11,933. 8,258 and 3,675 are addends. What it is? Addends. So write it here, addends. A, D, D, E, N, D, S, addends. And the 199, this is your sum. That one is sum. S, U, M, sum. E, 80, 100 plus 60 tens is equals to how much? So 80 tens is equals to 100 is equals to 8,000. That one is equals to 8000 plus 60 tens means 6 into 10. That one is equals to 600. So your answer is, when you are adding these two numbers, your answer is 8600. This one is your answer. F1, 5000 plus 5600. So 5000, first write 5000. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then 5600. So this one is your 56. After 56, I multiply the number with 100, then 20 comes. So our answer is 10600. 10,600 is your answer. G part, if a hospital was founded in 1914, it would celebrate its century in. So for century, century means 100. So you are adding 100 to the 1914. So that one is equals to 2014. H, the largest 6-digit number plus 1, that one is the smallest 7-digit number. So how many zero? 6 zero. And for the seventh one we have 1. So I, when minute is equals to substance, then your difference is always 0. Okay, fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks, A part 60,500 minus 1. That one is equals to 60,499. Then the B part 8,500 plus 270 plus 8. When you are adding these numbers, what you get? That one is equals to 8,778. Okay. So I am taking here the 7,200 minus something, you get 6,500. So subtract 6,500 from 72,000, you get the answer. This one is a 7,000 is your answer. So here one of the addend was given to you and the sum was given to you. In that type of question, what you have to do, you are subtracting the given addend from the sum. So 3,000 minus 2,350, that one is equals to 650. Okay. Here or H1 I am telling you about that one. Here the larger number you have to find, the smaller number and the difference was given to you. In that type of question you have to add these two numbers. 15,000 plus 6,000 234. So that one is 21,234. What are three types of questions you have? As you are looking in the D1, when you have to find the smallest number, in that case always subtract the difference from the greatest number. Okay, in S type of question, when you have to find the greatest number, in that type of question you are adding the subtrahend and the difference. And the third type is when addend was given to you, one of the addend was given to you and the sum was given to you. In first addend was given to you or the second one. In both the cases, you are subtracting the given addend from the sum. So this is all for the day. No, I have some more questions. Question number 11, fill in the blanks. That is the missing number. Here same thing I am explaining you. Here question number A, 63,478 was given to you and 65,000 was given to you. You have to find the addend. So what you have to do? You are subtracting 63,478 from 65,000. You get the answer. Try to solve these questions. I have explained it in the fill in the blanks also. Question number 12 I am explaining you. Question number 12 A part. Here 8 plus 9. When you are adding 8 plus 9, that is equals to 17. So ones place I have written here and 1 as a carry. So 7 plus 1 8. 8. 8. You are adding sum of the number 8, 8 was written here, 7 plus 1 and 8 was here. So there is the 0. Next we have 5 was written here. You have to write some of the numbers so that is equal to, so here I am writing the 6. So 5 plus 6 that is equals to 11. 11 ka 1 carry 1. So 9 plus 1 10. After 10 what comes? 12. So for 12 I have written here 2. 1 is carry here. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. So our answer is correct one. I am taking the one blank for as a subtraction. For subtraction 6 is less than 7. So I am taking 1 from here so that it will become 60 and that one is 3. So 16 minus 3 and that is equals to 9 and 3 is less than some number, so your answer is 5. So that means 13 minus 5 that you get. So when you are subtracting 13 minus 5, that one is equals to 8. So I have taken 1 from here, so before putting this plus 1 sign will be there. So you are subtracting some of the number from here to your answer will be 1. So 2 or 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Wait, 4 is your answer beta. 4 is your answer. 4 1 carry was given here, then it will be 3. 3 minus 2 1. Then 6 minus 2, that one is equals to 4. Now true and false statement was given to you. The sum is always greater than each of the addends. That one is false. When 0 was given as the addend, then 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. So this one is wrong. Minute is always less than the substance. Minute is always greater than the substance, not less than the substance. We can change the order of addends. True, we can change the order. 5 plus 2, 2 plus 5, both are same. We can change the order of minute and substance. No, we cannot change the order of minute and substance. The sum of number and 1 is the number itself. False. Sum of number and 0 is the number itself. So this one is also false. Question number 15. The difference between two numbers was given to you. The number was sum of number is difference of two number was given to you, and the greater of the two number was given. You find the sum of the two number. So first what you have to do, you have to find the smallest number. To find the smallest number, you have to subtract this difference from the 73,000. So first try to subtract 73,325 minus 35,489. Then you get the smaller number. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you are adding the two numbers. The first number was given here, that is a 73,325, and the second number, the smallest number, that is the answer of this number. You are adding these two, you get the answer. Question number 16. A public library has 36,897 books on science and 4,769 books on mathematics, 14,575 books on other subjects. How many books are there in the library? So, how many science books we have? That is 36,897. How many mathematics books we have? That is 4,769. And other books means other different subjects books we have, that is 14,570. You have to find number of books in the library. So for this what you have to do, you are adding 36,000 plus for 897 plus 4,769 plus 14,579, then you get your answer. Question number 17. Gaurav wants to buy a car that costs rupees 3 lakh 4,652. How he has only rupees 1,88,716. How much money does he need? Means Gaurav wants to buy a car. He has only rupees 3 lakh 4,652. Sorry, the cost of the car was 3 lakh. But he has only rupees how much? 1,88,760. So how much money he needed? So I am subtracting the this amount from the this one 3,04,652 minus 1,88,760. So I get my answer. Question number 18. There are 4,562 boys in a school. The number of girls is 689 less than the number of boys. Find the total number of strength of the school. So there are two type of calculation here. You have given what? Boys strength of boys, that is 4,562 was given to you. Number of girls is 689 less means you have to subtract. So to find the number of girls, you are subtracting 4,562 minus 689. So after subtraction, the number comes, that will be the number of girls, and you have to find the total number of strength. So for the total number of strength, what you have to do, you are adding the number of boys and the number that comes after subtraction, that is the number of girls, then you get the answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video and try to solve the questions by yourself in your copy. Thank you, students.